everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Today I'm taking a look at this keyboard. This is the Skyloong GK75. So this is a USB wired keyboard. As you can see the layout there. And it does have a pretty cool knob. It has a knob that you can use for doing volume controls, and you can press it. You can also use it to do zooming and things like that if the program that you're using supports it. It has backlighting, a bunch of different stuff. So we'll just go ahead and take a look at this. And you do get some extra keys as well if you want to do some swapping out. So this is a USB to USB-C cable. So that's what you use to connect the keyboard. And looks really cool. So this is kind of like a translucent case. I don't know if you can tell here. It's kind of like a grayish black, kind of dark gray see-through case. So like I said, maybe I didn't say, this is a 75% keyboard. It does have PBT keycaps. So these are hot swappable mechanical keys. And this one I got has optical red switches. So it does not have, I guess, actual mechanical keys. It's got optical keys. But like I said, optical keys, so it only does support optical switches to swap in. So you need either Skyloong switches or Gateron switches. So Gateron optical ones will work as well. So 75%, what does that mean? It's 80 keys plus the knob. So this is kind of a classic TKL layout. A little bit, obviously smaller than a giant keyboard. So a little bit more room for your mouse and things like that. So yeah, very, very cool. Like I said, RGB backlight, PBT double shot keys. And then as you put there has like a little track here for connecting the cable. So the cable goes here, and you can, make it go out in 3 different areas, kind of running it through that little track. There's 2 levels of height adjustment. So it's kind of like one of those typical double feet here. And you have rubber stops, key angle, if you can see there. But yeah, kind of combination of this transparent case, white keys, gray, and red-ish. Yeah, so it works with Windows and Mac. Overall, really nice feeling keyboard. It is nice, comes with a dust cover. It's got the Skyloong logo on there. So if you're worried about getting dust on your keyboard, you can kind of toss that on there. So yeah, so what I'll do here on the second part of this video is jump on over, plug this in, and show you some of the key lights and the backlight, and try to get a little bit better of a sound of the actual keys being pressed, so you can get a little bit of an idea of what it sounds like. So let's hop over there and check it out.
Hey everybody, so I have this hooked up to my Mac, and I just wanted to do a couple quick things and just show you what it sounds like typing. Hopefully this works. Hopefully you can hear me. I have this lavalier microphone here, and it should pick up the sound of the keyboard. Try that again, maybe put the up here. So it has a really good feel. Very positive key action. I mean, optical switches usually feel pretty good. The PBT keycaps sound really good as well. I mean, overall, it just feels like a very solid keyboard. Like I showed in the other part of the video, it does have this little turn wheel that by default on the Mac does the volume, and then pressing it mutes. So you can adjust your volume with this. I mean, overall, it's pretty cool. So one other thing I'll do really quickly here is just show you there is software. There is a software program that you can use to then customize the keyboard and do all kinds of stuff. I don't even know. You can do macros, you can change the lighting effects and the colors. You can change, because this does support Windows and Mac, you can change the layer for Windows and the layer for Mac, and customize the key bindings and all kinds of things like that. So definitely something to take a look at. I just don't have time in this video to go through all this, but I guess my main point is that there is a software controller for the keyboard that you can do and download all the stuff to the keyboard once you do mappings and everything. So very, very nice addition, the ability to have that keyboard configuration software. So definitely that's a good thing. And the last thing I'll do is I'll just turn off the lights here, and I'll cycle through the lighting effects so that you can see, the various effects that kind of come out of the box. And you do change those using the function key and kind of hitting, 9 or 0 to cycle through. And I'll just show those really quickly. What's nice is you do get a good color underneath the key as well as through the keys. And it's really nice that this keyboard has the caps that have the secondary keys on the top row here. You can see those are lit up, where a lot of keyboards don't do that, and you only see basically like 9 or 8, or you don't see the asterisk and things like that. So that's pretty nice. I like that. So as you can see, there's quite a few lighting effects that this keyboard has, and yeah, very, very cool. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be sure to answer. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.